You're probably wondering how I made that intro. Now, this is what this video is about. Now, I don't know about you guys, but personally, I'm not the best with video editing. I know a lot of you are designers that watch me. I'm okay with like Sony Vegas and actually editing videos myself, but when it comes to like intro making and more professional stuff, I'm really no good at it. So I actually came across this website called Render Forest. Now, if we go to the homepage, you can see they do a variety of different stuff. So they've got like videos for YouTubers. They've worked with loads of different companies, and I saw this site and I thought I would contact them asking if they wanted to do a video with me, and luckily they accepted. So thank you to Render Forest for sponsoring this video. It's much appreciated. Now I'm going to take you guys through the Render Forest website, showing you how to actually use everything and also how to actually make an intro yourself. Once you are on the Render Forest site, if you are thinking of using it, definitely sign up for an account, because that way you can actually save your videos. You've got your favorites, you've got your subscriptions, and all of your profile information there. So just to get the full benefits, make sure you sign up and you are basically ready to go. So the first thing you want to go to is video templates. On here, as I said, is literally everything you will need. So they've got the promotional side, they've got intros, outros, logos, slideshows, presentations, music visualizations, a bunch of different stuff. So if we scroll down here, you guys can see it's got like music visualizers. For, say for example, you're making a music channel and you need like this sort of bass thing going on. They've got like these brush slideshows, which are really cool. Loads of different things. You can just play each one, see what they look like, and of course try them out for yourself. So that is the video templates tab. It's not really that complicated. As I said, literally just the previews, and that's how you start making stuff. But then we move on to the pricing. Now the pricing does vary. As you can see here, you can go to monthly or you can go to yearly options. So of course the yearly is going to be cheaper. You can go for the amateur pack, which will get you all of these features, so like no watermarks on HD videos, or you can go for the free version. However, the downside of the free version is that you do get a watermark on your creation, and also as well as that, it's only 360p, which none of us want. So I definitely either recommend you go for the amateur option if you are interested in the site, or you can pay per export, which is also another good feature. Say for example, you just want one thing, you only want one intro, you can literally pay $20, which is like around £15, and you can get your intro then. Like you don't have to learn anything yourself. As I said, you can literally make it on the site. So £15 for an intro, I think that's pretty good. You can go ahead and explore the site for yourself, see which price plan does work for you. Of course, I just want to say this is not going to suit everyone. Some people may really want a customized intro, like super customized. I'm going to go back to the video templates tab and we're going to make one ourselves. So I'm going to go to intros and logos and 3D logo reveals. Now, as you can see, I've actually hearted some of them so it favorites them because I really like the look of them. Say for example, this one, the Night Alley logo, I actually messed around with this one before. If I play the template, as you can see, this is what it does look like. So I'm going to go ahead and play the version that I made on screen now. The sci-fi logo intro actually was the one at the start of this video, so that's where that one came from. And as well as that, I also messed around with the where is it? I'm gonna have to find it now. The neon light one. I messed around with this one, and I'll show you guys the outcome of this one now. I think this one looked really sick. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is literally just watch a load of them, find which one I like the look of, and we can start creating a intro then. Okay, so the one I really like the look of is this particle burst logo reveal. So I'm going to go ahead and favorite it, and also I'm going to play it for you guys so you can see an example of what it does look like. And I think it looks really clean. So we're going to go with this one. Let's just press the create now button, and now you will be directed to the intro editor or video editor, whatever you want to call it. Now this is simple to explain. Basically on the left hand side you've got the tools, and on the right hand side you've got the preview. Now you literally just have to type in your text. So for this example we are going to type in my graphic pack name, so I'm going to type in Revolution. Okay, so there we go, we have our text here, Revolution graphics pack, out now on sellfy.com/visualjd. So now what we can go ahead ahead and do is continue with the next steps. However, if you were making a different intro, you could upload like your own logo and so forth, but for this one it's literally just text. So now we're going to move on to step number 2, which is going to be color. Now as you can see, you can select any color you want, so I'm going to go with a nice blue color. So let's go with a light blue color, and now we can move on to the music, which is the next step. As you can see, this is so simple to do, which is the main reason why I do like it. Let's just play some of these, see which one works best. Okay, so to be fair, I do like the first one. I'm going to press the plus icon and that will add it. You can also add yourself a voiceover if it's like a different kind of video, and you can also upload your own music to the site, which is also a cool feature. So now it's time for the preview. So go to number 4. You can either look at the free preview or you can buy the high quality version. Now for this example, we want to get the best out of the website, so we are going to get the high quality 1080p version, and I will be able to show you guys it. Okay, so I've now purchased the intro and now it is rendering. Now it doesn't really take too long considering you are actually using a website, you're not using any kind of software or anything. Okay guys, there we go, the video is now done. It did take around about 4 minutes, which isn't too bad to be fair. It was a little bit longer than they estimated, but regardless, we're going to go ahead and download it and I'm going to play it for you guys. I did really like this one, however, I'm not going to say it's my favorite. My favorite one is probably going to be either the one that I used at the start of the video, the sci-fi logo one, or the neon light one. The neon light one I think is so sick. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Anyways guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did go on to enjoy it and it was helpful, then make sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated. Also, if you did enjoy the video and want to see more graphic design videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Anyways, hopefully, as I said, you did enjoy. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace. New pack out on Friday.